So guys, for the first step, you want to go into your BIOS. So you want to restart your computer and then keep on pressing on delete on your keyboard. Restart your computer, keep on pressing on delete. Just keep pressing it, don't stop. As our computer is restarting, you want to spam delete on your keyboard. Keep on pressing on delete. This screen will appear, press on delete, and we should now be on this. And we should now be in our BIOS. If your BIOS looks like this, then you want to click on F2 on your keyboard, which will now make it look like this. And now once we're here, make sure that you're on the MIT tab. You want to select Advanced Memory Settings. It's most likely going to be saying for you disabled right here, and then it should be saying 2133. So you want to find Extreme Memory Profile XMP, double click on it, select Profile 1, and it should now be changed to 3200. Now on the top, you want to click on Save and Exit Setup, and then click on Yes. And then that's how you do it.